All right, here's our exit ticket review. So number one says select all that are equations. So remember, equations almost looks like it says equals. So we're looking for anything that has an equal sign. Doesn't have an equal sign. Nope. Here's an equal sign, so that's an equation. We have an equal sign, no equal sign. Select all that are expression. So an expression cannot have an equal sign, cannot have an inequality sign. So this one's good, this one's good, and this one's good. Number three, translate the following verbal expression to an algebraic expression. The sum of 5 and a number x. So all that means is instead of a number, use the letter x. So sum means to add. So I'm going to have 5 plus x, or it could have been x plus 5. These are both okay. That's subtraction. That's multiplication. That says equals. The answer is B. Number 4, translate the following from algebraic to verbal. So when I look at it, this says 4 times a number minus 5 is 9. So let's read these. It says 5 less than. So that, remember, when it says it like this way, that means 5 is going to come second. So it's going to be minus 5. But this says 5 less than the difference of 4 times a number. So that doesn't make any sense because number one, it doesn't say is 9. So it can't be A. B, 4 times a number less than. So that means this would come second. 4 times a number less than 5. So that would be written as 5, and we would take this away from it, is 9. So this is backwards. The product of 4 and a number. Okay, so the product of 4 and a number means 4 times x. Less 5 would mean we take away 5, but what's it missing? It doesn't have is 9. So that's not it. 5 less than, so we know that's going to come second. It's going to be minus 5. The product of 4 and a number, that would be 4 times x, and then it says is 9 equals 9. And that's exactly what we're looking for. So D is the correct answer. Number 5, what can be added to the blank to make this an expression? So it cannot be an equal sign, and it also cannot be an inequality. So it can't be A, can't be B, it has to be D, just a plus sign. All right, thank you. Hopefully that helps you guys.